The TERRASAUR from Premier Diamond Products is a carbide cluster saw blade that tackles applications a chainsaw or diamond blade can't. Using a common handheld disc cutter, the TERRASAUR is a must-have tool for tree surgeons, landscape gardeners, decking installers, utility contractors, farmers, forestry workers, railway contractors, roofing specialists and general builders. The TERRASAUR from Premier Diamond Products, cutting edge technology. Cutting through a common railway sleeper takes under a minute, and unlike a chainsaw, there are no issues with nails or screws damaging the blade. The TERRASAUR will tear straight through them, no problem.